Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, is it still worth checking out in 2025? Let's find out. Starting off with the design, Galaxy S24 Ultra has that signature boxy design that has been taken from Galaxy Note series. This design stands out even in 2025 when comparing it side by side with Galaxy S25 Ultra. This design feels more premium, but at the same time, sharp edges of this phone are not really comfortable to hold for a long time. If you don't have a good case, this phone can leave marks on your hand. But I'm using this Pitaka case that is grippy and easy to hold at the same time. Samsung fixed it with Galaxy S25 Ultra, but some people still like that good old boxier design. I have been using this phone since last year without a screen protector, and apart from these small scratches, the screen is kinda like brand new. Display is still the best out there that Samsung makes. It goes up to 2600 nits, which is on par with Galaxy S25 Ultra. The anti-reflective coating is also there and absolutely fine. Make sure, while cleaning your phone, you're only using a damp microfiber cloth. This will make sure that the anti-reflective coating does not get damaged during the cleaning process. Okay, now let's talk about the performance. Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 on this phone has been phenomenal. There is no lag, no hiccups, and even after OneUI 7 update, the animations have been top notch. One downside with OneUI 7 update is that before this update, I was getting about 7 hours of screen on time. But right now, I'm getting just 5 hours of screen on time, and this is with always on display mode turned on. Samsung is already working on OneUI 8 Android 16 update, so I'm not sure when exactly they will push an update making battery life better on this phone. The display has been amazing too. This is on par with Galaxy S25 display. I've not seen any user having a Galaxy S24 complain about green line issue. Green line is mostly there with Galaxy S22 and Galaxy S21. One UI 7 has made this phone kind of fresh and new. A lot of people don't like some features of One UI 7, like the new quick panel layout. Make sure to check out the video down in description that shows some top settings that you should change as soon as possible after getting One UI 7 update. Most of the Galaxy S25 features like audio eraser, log video and AI search is also there on Galaxy S24 Ultra. How we can forget the S Pen of Galaxy S24 Ultra. Bluetooth on this S Pen helps you to take photos, move presentation slides, and you can also use this S Pen like a mouse. While on Galaxy S25 Ultra, Samsung killed it. So if you're a fan of Bluetooth S Pen, then stick with Galaxy S24 Ultra. Camera on this phone is decent, even after a year. It's not the best out there. Samsung has been using the same sensor for quite some time. When comparing it side by side with Galaxy S25 Ultra, the difference is negligible. Mostly improvement is there on the software side. Don't forget to check out my video on best camera settings for Galaxy S24 Ultra that will help you a lot to get some amazing shots. We are not getting that smooth zoom option here with One UI 7 update on Galaxy S24 Ultra. I wish it was there, as it helps a lot for getting a smooth zoom shot. Overall, the difference is so minimal when compared to Galaxy S25 Ultra that this phone is absolutely worth checking out in 2025. S24 Ultra right now is available for about $600 to $700 on Amazon. Make sure you are buying from a trusted source, as many fake Galaxy S24 Ultras are there in market. I have also made a video on fake Galaxy S24 Ultra that will help you a lot to identify the fake one, so do check it out. Let me know in the comment section if you are using a Galaxy S24 Ultra or planning to get one in 2025. With that said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.